I did a community watch in the city of Bakersfield, and sorry if you don't hear me that well. I keep my voice loud into the mic, so you shouldn't have no problem, but it's a little bit windy. Got kind of like semi-dust storms. So if you hear a bunch of gust of wind, you know, there's nothing I can do about that. It's beautiful out here. I wish it wasn't windy because there's nothing but fields, groves, like it's not citrus, they're like almonds or something, I'm not sure. But it's pretty nice out here. I wish I could take some pictures if we could see. We are in a public right of way where we're allowed to be. We don't have no plans on going to nobody's property or anything like that, so. We're gonna go by the main offices and see how they react. I did a community watch doing the First Amendment audit here at the KERN Oil and Refining Company. Really windy out today, so I'm going to speak loud and by my camera. So we're going to see if they respect our right to record from a public space.
Why are you taking pictures?
Oh, because I can?
But why though?
I don't think I need to explain that to anybody. I'm not doing nothing illegal, so we're just taking pictures.
What reason?
Just personal reasons. I don't know you, so I don't feel comfortable telling you any of my business. How are you doing, Day? Good?
Yeah, fine. Just curious.
Yeah, no, we're just taking some. We've never been around here, so we're just taking some pictures of shots. Hoping it wasn't so windy so we could take some pictures of the groves and stuff. But we're fine. Thank you though for asking. That's kind of you. You have a good day, okay? There's really bad winds out here. I'm telling you the stuff we go through for these audits. There you go, look at you guys, this is what we go through. That was an interesting little dust storm. Go to the car and unpack my nose. This definitely ain't for the faint of heart. That's those two. This guy, all these three trucks are. So we just did that audit with the real windy place at the refinery. And we were driving and it's just super windy and it looks like there's some fields on fire. So we just wanted to this will be a good ending to the video out here, and hope everybody's safe.